Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we are doing this super cute kind of jumbo twist hairstyle. This is a very requested hairstyle from you guys since you saw it on my Instagram. So let's just jump right into it. So first for this hairstyle, I make sure to start out with stretched hair. Basically what that means is that I've completely stretched out the curls so my hair is somewhat straight. If you guys want a deeper tutorial on that, I can definitely do that for you guys. I had been wearing my hair in a braid for a few days, which is why it has some waves. So what we're going to do is just take a brush. This brush is from my line Minya Beauty. This is the Magic Detangling brush, and I'm just brushing through the hair to make sure there's no knots or tangles and to also get a little bit more of that wave out of my hair. Next, I'm going to be parting my hair. So I'm just using a rat tail comb and parting directly down the middle and just trying to make a straight line. So I went ahead and did one side off camera, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So firstly, I'm going to start with some EcoStyler Gel just to smooth everything down. I add the gel to the top of my hair, and I'll also be adding some in the front, and I'm going to use my Minya Magic Detangling brush just to smooth everything down. Now I'm taking my rat tail comb and making a small part in the front of the hair, and with that we're going to break it up into two sections and twist it together a couple times. This is going to start the hairstyle. So what we're doing now is actually called a flat twist, and once you've twisted the first sections, you can go ahead and start to add more hair. So basically each time you twist the hair, you want to incorporate the loose hair from the underneath. So see how I have a section pointing down? This is the piece you want to add hair to. So we have this downward section. I'm going to pick up some hair, then twist upward. This might take a little bit of practice at first, but once you get the hang of it, it is super easy. I can't even tell you guys how excited I am about this hairstyle because for one thing, I cannot braid to save my life. I can barely do regular braids, I cannot French braid, and I cannot cornrow. So by doing this twisting method, it gave me the opportunity to actually do a different and fun hairstyle. And so I'm just super excited to share it with you guys. Now this was one of my first times doing this hairstyle, so I'm not claiming to be an expert and my twists are definitely not perfect. But the good thing about this hairstyle is we're going to kind of be messing it up afterwards anyway, so if it's not perfect, that's totally okay, because we're gonna just fake it until we make it. Now that I've completed the flat twist, meaning I've twisted all the hair that's on the scalp, I like to twist a little bit farther downward so that my hair elastic has something to grip onto. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and apply a hair elastic to the base of the twist. And if it comes out a little bit loose, don't worry about it. You can go ahead and just pull on each side of your hair to tighten it up a bit. And if you'd like to just keep your hair natural, you can go ahead and keep twisting down the length of the hair. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use some extension hair because I do want my twist to be a bit longer than my natural hair. To make sure your extension hair is going to be fully secured within the twist, it's super easy. All you're going to want to do is create a small hole in between your flat twist and your hair elastic, and you can pull the extension hair through the hole. So now it will be fully secured, and from here, this is the easiest part of the hairstyle. So all we do is split the extension hair into two, split your natural hair into two, and twist them both together until you get to the very bottom. For this video, I did use the Kanekalon braiding hair, and I had this lying around from a hairstyle I did a couple years ago, which is why it doesn't completely match the current color of my hair. And while I was using it, I remembered I wasn't a huge fan of the texture of this hair, so I did go on Amazon and order some new braiding hair that matched my texture better. It was a little bit softer, but I will link both in the description box if you want to check them out. We are almost done. We're just going to put the finishing touches on our hairstyle. So as you can see here, this is where I said we were just going to mess it up a little bit. What I'm doing is just pulling apart the flat twist to give it a little bit more volume and a little bit more texture. And you can do this as much or as little as you want. It's definitely up to personal preference. And from here, I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray just to keep those flyaways down and lock this style in place. And from here, we are done, guys. So this hairstyle is so cute, so easy, and once you get the hang of it, you can rock this for any occasion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while since I've done a hairstyle on my channel, and 2021, I want to start rocking new looks, new hairstyles. So let me know if there's anything that you want to see down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.